Hi everyone. So let's talk about the topic that is shown on the screen: money from gambling, stock market, and horse race, or any kind of speculative activity where you gain money or where you can gain money. Whether your horoscope promises that or not, we'll find out. So, if the horoscope of a native is having the following combinations, then he or she can earn from speculation. So first of all, we all know that in my previous video also I have covered a lot about it. Let's again highlight few more things. So when it comes to speculation, we need to look into the fifth house of the native, because fifth house governs all kind of speculation, which include any form of investment which is speculative in nature. uh, Whether it comes to gambling, in gambling you never know whether you will win or lose. Whether it's a betting on a cricket match, where the outcome may be favorable for you or may not be. So if it becomes favorable for you, then you will be earning from it quickly and easily. So speculation is also comes under easy money. So but to be honest, lot of people, the percentage of success in any kind of speculative activity where money is involved, the percentage of success is very less, uh, as per different survey. If it comes to stock market, only 0.5 or 1% of people, 1% of investors make money, while rest of the 99, 90 to 99% of people lose money in stock market. uh, when it comes to gambling, I don't know, how many people making money from gambling and living a decent life. Horse race, I'm clueless how many people in India put betting on horses or cricket matches, and how many actually make a decent living out of it as a main profession. So the basic thing is that, if I mean we know that the fifth house is all about purva punya, the past life good deeds of a person. If the fifth house and the lord of the fifth is stronger in the horoscope, that means that one can enter into such kind of a speculative activity where one can gain money. At the same time, ninth house is the bhagyastan, which is the house of luck. It has to be strong. If the ninth house, the house of luck, is not strong, then even the fifth house cannot do much favor. And this is actually the traditional way of looking into horoscope, just to find out whether one can gain or lose in any sort of speculation. But also there are the other combinations, including 5, 8 and 11, because eighth house is also called a house of speculation, where there will be massive loss or massive gain, including fifth and 11th. 11th is all about your fulfillment of your desires, and easily getting what you aspire. So along with 5, 9, one should have stronger 8 and 11 house in the horoscope, and the lords have to be very strong. So basically I'll just highlight the basic things. What are the combinations one should find in the horoscope, just to go for any sort of speculative activity where he may think of gaining. So in that, the first combination is about you know including 5, 11, 5, 8, 6, 11, 5, 6, 9, 5, 11, and 3, 11, 3, 6, 3, 5, and also 11, 3. If you are having all the combinations, or maybe some of the combinations in your horoscope, you need to check your horoscope first. Then, uh, we can say that one can go for such kind of a speculative activity. At the same time, the dasha of the person and the planetary period of the person should favor such activities, because speculation itself is a kind of high risk activity where money can be lost easily, especially when it comes to gambling, where in a day your entire savings may get wiped off. Even the same case when it comes to stock market, any kind of a crash in the market, you lose your entire savings. So astrology only can give you some overview, but there's much more into it. Without knowing about the market, or without knowing about the in and out of such kind of activity where some sort of expertise is needed, you should not enter into that. Only enter when you are very confident and you you have been mastered the art of speculation. Then only it can be beneficial. So thank you. I'll cover a lot on this in my next sessions. And thank you everyone.